And welcome to another one of Shazzoo.com tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to explain you Shazzoo's interface. The Shazzoo interface provides you the section pane on the left, and there's the view pane, this one here, on the right. The sections pane, there I can navigate between several sections. The first section is the site content, where I manage content related elements like web pages. There's also the library where I can store attachments, images, flash files, etc. And for example, there's the reusable content subsection where I can create little pieces of content, manage them here centrally, and use them on several pages. The second section is called Site Navigation, and here I manage the navigation of my website. Shazzoo supports multi-level site navigation, as you can see. The search section gives me the opportunity to do some simple and advanced searches, and I can store these searches for reuse. The admin section provides me log information regarding backend processing. Here you see the settings of the database. There's some user and group management. I can configure my templates, and well, I have a view here, all documents view, and this view displays me all documents that are in my Shazzoo Web Content Manager. The recycle bin displays all deleted documents. If you delete a document, it is moved to the recycle bin, and from there you can restore or permanently delete the document. And the last item in the sections pane is, well, it's not a section, it's an action, in fact. And it's called Preview Site, and what it does, it opens my site in preview mode, as you can see here. Okay, that's the sections pane. And now I'm going to tell you something about the view pane. The view pane displays the current view. In this case, I have activated the subsection pages, so it displays all web pages I have in my web content management system. If I click on library, then it shows me all attachments that I stored and that I can use in my web pages. Return to the web pages view. To show you that most view columns can be sorted, both descending and ascending. For example, if I click once on the title column, it sorts ascending, and if I click again, it sorts descending. And at the third click, there's the original categorized view again. On top of the view, you see a set of view actions related to this view. Some view actions like help or refresh view are permanently enabled. Others like edit, delete are only enabled if I select at least one document in the view. The selection of documents works quite similar to the Explorer you might have in your Microsoft OS system. Select a document, select another one, and use that in combination with the Shift key to select a range of documents, then use the Control key to deselect several documents you don't want to delete. You can even use the cursor keys up and down to navigate through the documents, and use them in combination with Shift to select a range of documents up and down. If you want to edit a web page, there are several ways to open it in edit mode. First of all, select the document, click once on the title, data sources, and data sources will be opened in edit mode, and you can add some nice content to it. Another possibility is double click somewhere on the line and the document Shazzoo functional opens in edit mode again. Of course, you can select the document and click on the edit button in the view action bar. And the last option is to select the document and press enter on your keyboard. I opened 4 different web pages. The exciting thing about Shazzoo is that I don't have to close a web page before opening another one. Each web page can be accessed by clicking on the applicable tab on the top of the interface. Each tab displays the type of document and the title. If I want to edit the web page called Quick Start, I click on the applicable tab. This makes it quite easy to copy elements from one to another web page. For example, I am going to copy this element here. This is a section called Movie, Create Frame of your site in a few minutes. And I want to copy this section to all other pages. So I copy it, navigate to the other page, position my cursor. This is the place where I want to insert that element, and click on paste, and there it is. Again, in the page data sources, position the cursor and paste, and here again paste. And now I have this element copied to all other pages that I opened. Okay, that's it. Thanks again for your interest. For questions, please call or mail us.